Welcome friends, our today's topic is research aptitude and we are going to learn some MCQ here. So let's begin. Question number 1 है research is option A purposeful systematic activity, B conducted for purely academic purpose, C conducted to answer questions about practical issues, D a random unplanned process of discovery. So the correct option is A a purposeful systematic activity. Question number 2 is all good research aims at option A betterment of the society, option B developing generalizations, theories and principles, C solving routine problems, D none of the above. So the correct option is option B developing generalizations, theories and principles. Third question is a grand theory. Option A is explains interrelationship among concepts, B is highly abstract, C broad explanation of phenomena is a discipline, D all the above. Correct option is C broad explanation of phenomena in a discipline. Question number 4 is the idea that knowledge comes from experience is A rationalism, B deductive reasoning, C logic, D empiricism. The correct option is D empiricism. Question number 5, a theory is defined as option A set of systematically related statements, B law like generalizations, C both A and B, D none of the above. Correct option is C both A and B, means set of systematically related statement, and B law like generalizations. Question number 6 is epistemology refers to option A a term especially used in the social sciences, B a term used to study the types of disease, C acceptable level of knowledge in a field of study, D a type of interviewing technique. Correct option is D a type of interviewing technique. Question 7 is which of the following is a function of theory? Option A is integrating and summarizing current knowledge, B making predictions, C explaining phenomena, D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. Question number 8 is which of the following terms explains the idea that knowledge comes from experience? Option A is rationalism, B empiricism, C logic, D deduction. Correct option is D empiricism. Question number 9 is in every field, research pursuit promotes systematic and gradual advancement of knowledge, but discoveries are rare because option A is result is a continuous critical investigation. Option B is it is not common to be able to think beyond a grooved channel. Option C is sustained experimental work needed for discovery is not easily forthcoming. Option D, most people lack the depth of knowledge needed for it. The correct option is D, most people lack the depth of knowledge needed for it. Question number 10 is metaphysics means. Option A, a branch of physics, B. Exploring the nature of ultimate reality, C. Physics of matter, D. physics of weather. Correct option is B. Exploring the nature of ultimate reality. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A is a researcher is expected to be a well-read person. B. One research gives birth to another research. C. All researchers contribute to existing knowledge. D. A good researcher is a nice person. The correct option is D. A good researcher is a nice person. Question number 12 is which of the following is defined as a systematic method of evaluating statistical data based on the result of several independent studies of the same problem? Option A is vector analysis, B meta-analysis, C systematic analysis, D none of the above. Correct option is B meta-analysis. Question number 13 is the quality of a research study is mainly evaluated on the basis of. Option A is the place of publication, B the manner in which the recommendations are implemented, C the rigor with which it was conducted, D none of the above. The correct option is C the rigor with which it was conducted. Question number 14 is the quality of research is judged by the. Option A relevance of research, B methodology adopted in conducting the research, C depth of research, D experience of research. Correct option is B methodology adopted in conducting the research. Next question 15. One of the following is not a quality of a researcher. Option A is unison with that of which he is in research. B. He must be of alert mind. C. Keenness in inquiry. D. His assertion of outstrip the evidence. Correct option is A. Unison with that of which he is in search. Question number 16 is which of the following periodical is especially meant for publishing research work? Option A magazine, B monographs, C journals, D books. Correct option is C journals. Question number 17 is which of the following options are the main task of research in modern society? First one, to keep pace with the advancement in the knowledge. Second, to discover new things. Third, to write a critique on the earlier writings. Fourth one is to systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations or source with objectivity. So the correct option is A means fourth, second and first. Question number 18 is which of the following descriptions is true in context of defining theory? Option A an organized body of concepts and principles intended to explain a particular phenomenon. B tentative explanation that new data either support or do not support. C apt to drive further research. D none of the above. Correct option is A an organized body of concepts and principles intended to explain a particular phenomenon. Question number 19. Research can be conducted by a person who. Option A has studied research methodology. B holds a postgraduate degree. C process thinking and reasoning ability. D is a hard worker. Correct option is C processes thinking and reasoning ability. Question 20 is the best quality of a researcher is. Option A curiosity, B active imagination, C ability, D all the above. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ डी, ऑल दी अबव। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही है, और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।